Hello and welcome to the Nathan channel. I'm your host Nathan. If you are new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a little video on some introductory SQL. So without further ado, here we go. This task right here says write a SQL query that returns the name, capital, population. Okay, so we're going to do select and the items it wants. Name, capital, and population. From what table? From the country table. For all the countries with a population between 6 million and 8 million, where population equals, or population between 6 million, 1, 2, and 8 million. That should work. I have 3 zeros, okay. 3 and 3 zeros, okay. Let's see if this works. Name, capital, population. Sort the results. Order by capital from A to Z, meaning ascending. So we leave it that way. You can do this, but it's not necessary. We're not getting results. Let's see if it pulls an error. Double check the query. Remember, you have to retrieve the name, capital, population columns from country table. Okay. And filter the population where population between 2. Yep. That's correct. Let's copy that, see if we made some sort of error. Maybe we didn't put the correct numbers. And order capital in ascending order using order by. Yep, it is expected. Order by capital. You can use ascending keyword, but without using this keyword is also okay. Yep. That's interesting. Let's see what we did wrong here. Oh, now we got it correct. Perfect. So let's see what the next task is. Task, write a SQL query that returns name and capital, select name, capital, separate by commas, with no population from country where population is null. So it doesn't give us that value. Countries where the value of population is not shown or is a null value, non-existent value. Nice. Okay, let's take the quiz. Let's see what we got going on. You have a database that contains a table called students. There's 3 columns. ID, mark, and student name are the columns. How can we sort this data by name in descending order where the student mark is greater than 3? So it's going to be one of these two because it ends with order by, student name descending. So it needs to be greater, mark is greater than 3. Okay, select ID, mark, student name from students, where student mark is greater than 3, order by student name. Okay, let's see how this one's different. Select student ID, mark, student name, where student mark is greater than 3 from students. Oh, this is in the wrong order. Where comes after the from. So this should be correct. Because the right order is select from, where, order by. Not where and then from. It's select the data from the table where this condition is met, order by this ascending or descending order. You have a database that contains a table called students, ID, mark, name. How can you get the data when the student mark does not equal to 5? I always get confused with these. I think it's this one, but it's always going to be the exclamation mark and the equal sign. I just get confused about the order. There we go. It's exclamation mark and equal sign, not the other way around. You have a database that contains a table called students. You have the ID, the mark, the student name. How can you get the data where the student mark is not less than 4? Where the student mark is not less than 4. Interesting. I have not seen these symbols before. Okay, select data from students where student mark Okay, so that's the symbol. I hadn't seen it before combined, the less than and the non-equal. So this is the symbol for is not less than 4. Interesting. All right, back to the course. Let's see what we have next. To filter on multiple columns, we can use the AND operator to add conditions to the where clause. Here's an example, as you can see. Select name, population region from country where population is smaller or equal to 1 million and continent equals to Europe. This request retrieves only those rows that correspond to both conditions. Yep, because you use the AND operator, it's going to test condition 1 and it has to meet condition 1 and condition 2 that it will test as well. All right, so from the country table, retrieve only the country's name. Select name from country where country or where name equals Asia. Because it says from the country table, retrieve only countries' names, column name, from Asia. So we have to put the condition that the name is Asia with a population greater than 10 million. I'm going to copy that to make sure I'm not messing that up. And population is greater than that number, 1 million. Can be checked in the column population. Please note you only need to output country names. Okay, let's see. No names show up. Sometimes that happens on this one, but let me double check. Select name, select this data set, or this data point, this column from the country table where the name equals Asia and the population is this. It should be correct. No, thank you. Oh my goodness, I'm in the middle of a video and it's asking me to pay money. No, thank you. I am doing the 7-day free trial. Thank you very much. Skip for now. Okay, fine. No, thank you. No, thank you. All right, guys. Well, capitalism stopped us for a second here, but I love you all. Thank you for watching my videos. I am going to make another one when I fix this issue, but thank you for sticking with me and checking out some introductory SQL. I'll make more videos on SQL as I'm learning as well, training to be a data analyst. So I'm learning all this stuff, SQL, Excel, Python, and Tableau. If you have any specific questions, please put them in the comment section. I will be happy to review those. And yeah, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.